Hey everybody, Jeremy here, and today I'm doing things a little bit different. I went out and I got myself this Blackstone 17-inch outdoor griddle from Walmart. It costs about $84, and I wanted to get it because I wanted to do a little bit more cooking outside. I wanted to have a flat top, and I just wanted to try something different. Now, something like this would be great for someone who's outside a lot and maybe you're cooking on the go, tailgating. If you're going camping, if you're going to the park and you got some food that you want to cook, and some parks have those little grills set up, but if you don't want to use those, if it grosses you out a little bit, something like this can be what you need. Now, this is the 17-inch model, and they do have some larger models as well. They're going to cost you a bit more, and you can also find them in other places. It's not just Walmart. But one good thing to be aware of is that there's a couple different versions of this griddle available. One version of it has the grease trap towards the front. That's one of the older models, but this particular model is a little bit updated in that it has the grease trap towards the back. So it also comes with this little clip-on basket that you can clip to the back of the unit, and then you can push the grease away from you as opposed to bringing the grease towards you. So this is going to be like my first experience using a propane-based cooking method. I had gas grills in the past, but well, not gas grills, but gas ranges inside the house, but never propane outdoors. So I've already cooked on it, and I'm going to cook some hamburgers here today to see how that works. But before I get started, I do want to show you what you would have to do to season the griddle, because this is cast iron, so you're going to have to season it for the best results. And then I'm also going to show you how to attach the propane canister, just in case it's also your first time using propane and you're a little bit nervous about it, you don't want to blow up. Don't worry, it's really easy to do. So let's get started. So you might be wondering, how much can I actually put on a 17-inch griddle top? Well, according to the box, you can fit about 4 steaks, 9 hamburgers, 12 eggs, 9 chicken breasts. So a pretty decent amount of food. If you're like me, you have a small family, or if you're just cooking for yourself, or maybe 1 or 2, maybe even 3 other people, this will be plenty. This will be all you need. So as you can see here, the top looks kind of black, like Blackstone, right? And that's because I seasoned it. Now, it's really easy to do, but first, in order to season it, you're going to have to heat it up. So let me show you how you can attach the propane to this. So on the right side of the griddle, you're going to see this little plastic black cap. You're going to pull that off. In this part here is where you are going to attach this little gizmo here. Now, bear with me, I don't know the proper name for it, but it's very important, you need it. Go ahead and get your canister of propane. It's got this little black cap on it, at least if you get this brand. Take the cap off. Once you take the cap off, you're going to see that that part there is exposed. So you take this part, little point here where it's sticking out, and you just put it down in here, and you just tighten it by turning it clockwise until it's good and tight. Once you got it good on there, you're going to take this part here and you're going to stick it right over this part, and then this goes up. So you push it up just like that, and then you turn it, making sure that it grabs those threads, and you can just continue to turn it until it is on there good and tight. This canister is going to continue to sort of sit up at this angle here, and that's what you need to do in order to set up your propane. So, super easy. So at this point, all we have to do is turn it on. And if you ever used a gas stove, it's pretty much the same way. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold down this huge button, and that's going to get the gas going. You should be able to hear it. And then we're going to turn it over to the light, and that will light our flame. And that's it. You can kind of see the flames right there. Now the seasoning process of this is really easy. So let this go on the highest heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then you're going to get yourself some olive oil, put like a tablespoon of olive oil on the top, and then get like a lintless rag and then just wipe all around it. I mean everywhere, the top and the corners, even on the outside of this, just get all of it. And once you do that, it's going to burn off all that oil. It's going to form a bond with the cast iron that's going to help with the non-stickness of it all. And once most of that smoke goes away, do it again. And then once most of the smoke from that session goes away, do it again. You can do it 2 times, you'll be good. You can do it 3 times if you want to. You can do it even more than that if you're really feeling adventurous. But as you cook with this thing, it's going to become naturally seasoned over time, especially if you're cooking things like bacon, stuff that has a lot of fat in it. So I'm just going to heat this up, and then I'm going to throw a couple burgers on here. There you have it, a bacon burger. Of course, you can put whatever it is that you want on it, but I am just going to enjoy it just like this, just meat and bread and nothing in between. So yeah, I really do like this thing. Like I said, you can pick it up from Walmart, this particular version, for about 84 bucks. And if you like cooking outdoors or you want to get into it, it's a good way to start. So thanks so much for watching. Till next time, I'm Jeremy. I'll talk to you later.